Josh, this is Brianna from Toriar Digital Marketing, and I really appreciate you speaking with my partner Ashley and letting her know that we can send you guys this video. I'm just making this quick video to show you how to improve your website so that you guys can start bringing in more customers for free. And I know you're probably wondering why we're taking the time to do this. It's pretty simple. I used to own my own roofing company up here in Alaska, so I do understand that business owners reach a point where they're too busy running the business. They don't have that free time to sit around and learn how to make the internet work for them and bring the customers to them. And the only thing holding owners back from hiring a marketing agency to do it is they obviously don't know who's going to be an expert and who's going to be a waste of time and money and full of crap. So we found that by making these free attack plans and giving them away for free, there are still business owners that end up calling us back and asking us to do this stuff for them. So if after this video you see that we've got tricks up our sleeves and you know that we can do good work for you, then you can always give us a call back and we can chat. If you just want to take the information and fix your website yourself, please do. This is free education for you. I'm only going to be talking about 3 quick things today. I'm going to be less than 10 minutes, so just hang out through. You're going to love this. We're going to talk about content, citations, and backlinks. So I'm on your page here, and you're pretty low on content. It's a clean site, good-looking site, but Google isn't ranking you for the appearance of your site. Google is actually using bots called crawlers that are scanning the content on your site to find keywords to rank you for. And when Google does the ranking, content is king. So you can never have too much content on your site. The recommended minimum is at least 1,500 words on the homepage and at least 500 words on each back service page. Okay? If you guys do that, that's going to keep you in a getting good opportunity to show Google that you're an expert, and 2, it protects you from being treated as spam because you only want 100 words of content for every 1 keyword. So keep that in mind when you're thinking about how you want to be getting discovered by customers. What are they going to be searching? And you have a lot of service areas, so you also need to consider that. Over here, I pulled up an example. So this is just obviously a taste with how many areas you guys service. You can imagine the number of keywords that are out there looking for you guys. The roofing contractors, Columbus, Ohio. This single keyword is getting searched 210 times a month. That's a lot of roofs. The first thing that customers see in a search is the Google My Business or the Google Map Pack. You can be up here in the top 3 by making sure that you're uploading photos to your Google My Business and you have your company contact information. Once you have that company contact info, you need citations. Citations are just online directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Angie's List. There's thousands. Go get yourselves on as many of those directories as you can. Make sure you have at least 100 more than your competitors, and that's going to put you in the top 3. We know people are lazy. They're not going to hit view all, so this is your best bet. If we continue down, we get the organic search results. And the first competitor that comes up for this keyword with the 210 search volume is Newman Roofing. So I'll be using them as your competitor for the remainder of the video. I've actually pulled up their site here, and we can see that they don't have very much content. So that 1,500, 500 rule of thumb is going to go really far for you guys to beat your competitor as far as content is concerned. If we go over here, I've pulled up a tool called Ahrefs that shows what's happening on the back end of websites. Your website is right here now, and you have a UR strength of 30, which is pretty good. Your domain ranking is a little lower, though. That's at a 12, and this is caused in part by backlinks. And backlinks are when other sites online are linking to your site and driving traffic to you. And Google loves it because they're really about the popularity contest. But like a popularity contest, you need to make sure you're hanging with the right crowd. So when you link to another site, make sure that that site is relevant to the roofing industry and a high-ranking site. Currently, you have 414 keywords, and all of this is giving you 178 traffic each month. I want to point something out too. If we go and click on your keywords that you guys have ads running for, ads are costing you money. And the biggest thing about a company using their money, it's an investment, right? You're investing in the company. So you need to see a good ROI, a good return on that investment. When you're targeting keywords that don't sound like something someone trying to buy the service you offer, right? Roofing repair, roofing remodel, then you're basically doing an educational keyword target. So roofer near me is a good one to keep. You get charged $16 every time someone looks that up and clicks on your ad. But cost to shingle a roof, that one probably isn't worth it. Comp shingle roofing, cost to re-roof a house. Like, these aren't buyer intents. These are educational keywords. There's also something else I wanted to point out. You have some popping up here for like roofing contractors, Bend, Oregon. I didn't see on your service areas that you guys covered Bend. In case you do, that's okay. I just want you to be aware that you're getting charged $11 every time someone clicks on that ad. So if it's not in your service area, I would change it. Roofing contractors in Bronx, New York. 80 searches a month. Every time someone clicks on your ad, you're getting charged $17. New roofs for houses, another educational keyword. You're getting charged $25 every time someone clicks on your ad. So you guys are losing, I mean, you're kind of burning money when you're targeting words that aren't in your service area. Here's Sacramento, California. You're getting charged $7 every time. Platinum Roofing and Construction. That sounds like a company, not a keyword that someone's searching for just a service. That's $20 a click. This one's crazy. Maryland roofing companies in Maryland. You're getting charged $40 every time someone clicks on your ad. So I wanted you guys to be aware that you're burning money for keywords that aren't buyer intent. They aren't showing the interest of a paying customer trying to find your service in your service area. So that's just what I wanted to bring up to you guys. Review those ads that you guys are running. Make sure that they're keywords like this one. We know that there's 210 searches a month, but they're looking for your industry in your service area. They need you. We want to be front and center for those types of people. All of that with that 178 monthly traffic. Let's look at your competitor. They have more backlinks. They have a higher ranking. So we could take the best backlinks that they have and put them on your site. They've got more keywords that they're ranking on, but they're not paying for any ads. Okay, there's no cost per click happening for them, but they're getting 574 monthly traffic. And we already know that they're targeting the good keywords because those are areas that we're servicing for the industry that we do. And then the other thing is, like, even if they're only closing half of that traffic, that's still over 100 roofs in a month. The work opportunity for you guys is really there. And as I said, I know you cover different service areas. I just showed you one possible keyword for one city. You guys have a lot of opportunity in all your service areas, but you definitely, we'll do a quick recap, but you definitely want to review those ads. So for your content, get at least 1,500 words on the homepage, at least 500 words on each back service page. Go get your company contact info put into as many online directories as you can. Get your photos uploaded. And then make sure that you guys are getting high quality backlinks relevant to your industry. Then review those ads that you guys are running. Make sure that you're not paying money for words that don't sound like someone's coming to buy something or coming to get a service. If you guys do these steps, you will be ranking #1 across Google. And I know you're probably wondering, like, what to do with this overload of information I gave you. You can definitely take this and apply it yourself. That's okay. This was totally free education. All that Ashley and I are really trying to get is your feedback and thoughts on the video. But if you did want help with this because you enjoy working outside more than sitting in front of a computer screen, go ahead and give us a call. We can have a chat and see if we'd be a good fit together. And if we are, we can get your phone ringing off the hook. So our partner will be following up in the next few days to try and get your feedback on this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for letting us send it, and I hope you got value out of it. Take care.